I'm going to show you how to put the base on a side frame barrier by Raydoor. You should notice from the factory that there will be these metal inverted T's already installed in the sandwich of the frame on both sides. Some models have exposed through bolts and some don't. Either way, the metal should be inside the panel. So the way you put either the square base or the L base or the delta base, because we have three, onto the panel is to turn it upside down. With the screws provided, assemble it by lining up screws on the hole. I don't tighten it down all the way to make sure that I can get the machine screws to fit nicely. So then I tighten them both. Once they're both in, then I tighten them both together. Just want to make sure screws are flush and not sticking out, because that could interfere with or scratch your table or interfere with the tape if you're going to use double stick tape. Now I'll do the other side. There. Done. Now you're going to either put felt tabs on the bottom or double stick tape to keep it in place. Some people don't do the tape, they just put either felt or some other slippery material. They keep it, it's pretty stable depending on the size barrier you have. I'm going to go ahead and also show you how to remove the base by just removing the inverted T. This is helpful sometimes if you have a reason. Let's say you wanted to remove the base and permanently mount the inverted T to the table. You can do that. Oh, good catch. There's through bolts on the other side. They go through it. I have to take those out first. Okay, so now this comes off. And you could mount this directly to the table and then mount your barrier back on top of the inverted T for a clean looking permanent fit. I'll just demonstrate that really quick. If you wanted to hard mount this without the base, I would suggest countersinking these holes so that your screws are flush. Measuring properly, of course. You could mount this to your counter with countersunk so it's flush, and then you could slip the barrier back over it and mount it with the through bolts for a clean look. Hope that was helpful.